It even has something for, it even has the cheeks in.
Wow, that looks so cool.
And it has a crane that moves around. And spins.
Whoa. What else does it do? Is there any buttons on it?
Yeah, right here. Lights come on.
Wow.
It comes as an octopus. And it comes as a thing. And this crane connects to it.
Crane connects to it. Who's in there? Who's that?
Ryder.
That's Ryder?
Yeah.
Whoa. Should we take it out and see what else it can do?
Yeah.
Let's see what it says in the back so we know what we can do with it. It says it has a movable crane, deploy vehicle, and rescue carrier. Cool.
Yeah.
All right, let's open our Paw Patrol Sea Patroller.
Yeah.
Let's see. We have that. Who's that for?
Ryder.
Ryder?
Yeah, the wheels in this.
Whoa.
And you can turn it.
All right, we got everything out of the box. Look at all the super cool stuff it comes with.
Yeah.
All right. How do we get the wheels out for on land? Because we can use it in the water as a boat, or we can pretend we're on... Where did the Paw Patrol live? How do these wheels come out? Should we try to figure out how these wheels come out? Alright, we figured out how to get it to go from a boat, this super cool boat, to on land. You want to show them? Whoa, now look at the tires popped out. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Now what do we do with all this stuff?
Let's put it onto the boat.
Okay, show me how.
Dude, it comes as an anchor.
What do we got there? An anchor? What is an anchor for?
It's for the boat that gets it rather than sea.
Does it keep the boat from floating away? We wouldn't want Ryder and all the pups to float away, would we?
No.
Where does Ryder go?
On his Jeep.
On his Jeep?
Yeah.
Are we gonna drive him in?
Wait, Ryan.
Oh no, how do I get into the Paw Patroller?
You can go for that way.
There's Ryder. And look he can talk to all of his pups on the screen in there. That's so cool.
Let's close that so his Jeep won't get out.
Is this our rescue basket?
Yeah.
Does it go on the crane?
Yeah. Ryder's all ready. And let's go. But wait, Ryder, she forgot the squid. Oh, it goes in here. The squid goes in there.
Go in there for safekeeping?
Yeah. They keep the buoys right here.
What do we got there?
Buoys.
Buoys? What are the buoys for?
They go into the sea, connected to the crane, and the crane right into the ocean.
Wow.
Yeah, let's just move it into a boat.
Uh-oh, then our squid's gonna get stuck. Oh no! We trapped our squid.
It looks great.
It does look great. This is a pretty awesome toy.
Yeah? Ryder can push his button. He needs to go down.
What do you think, Lucas?
It's cool.
What's your favorite part?
The squid and this.
And the crane? That is a really cool crane.
I could go play that thumbnail now. Thanks for watching. Bye.